Are you struggling with getting the HTTP context from IHttpContextAccessor only to find it's always null? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue and showing you how to fix it. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're trying to access the HTTP context and it just isn't there. It's like reaching for your favorite snack only to find the cupboard empty. Trust me, many developers face this challenge. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why is my HTTP context always null when using IHttpContextAccessor?" They shared their startup configuration, and it seems like a classic case of misconfiguration. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The issue often arises from how the services are registered and how the HTTP context is accessed. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand the root cause. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of the HTTP context being null, the user should first ensure that the IHttpContextAccessor is registered correctly in the startup class. This is crucial for accessing the HTTP context. Next, the user should check the lifetime of the services. The IHttpContextAccessor should be registered as a singleton, but it is important to ensure that it is being used in the right context. Now, the user should access the HTTP context in a proper context, such as within a controller or middleware. Accessing it directly in the configure method may lead to it being null. Finally, the user should test the application to ensure that the HTTP context is now accessible. They can do this by running the application and checking the values in the HTTP context. Fun fact, did you know that the IHttpContextAccessor was introduced in ASP.NET Core to help the context in a more flexible way? It's a game changer for developers. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user highlights the importance of using await in your action methods. They found that forgetting to include await at the beginning of the stack caused the HTTP context to be null. They explained that the method returning task contained awaits, and without the initial await, the HttpContextAccessor's HTContext property became null. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your services are registered correctly and access the HTTP context at the right time. This will save you from a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to access the HTTP context without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.